Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I am making a banana cake with cream cheese frosting. And for this cake, you need 3 bananas, ripe bananas, okay? If you have bananas that need a little speeding up, I have a way to do that. You put them in the microwave. I will give you a video attached to this video. At the end of this video, check it out. If you need to ripen your bananas, I'll show you how to do that. So right here, I have 3 very ripened bananas, and I'm going to cream them in my food processor. So my bananas are creamed. Now let's put the rest of the cake together. So right here, I have a bowl. I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Right here, I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to mix all this together and I'm going to set it to the side. So in this recipe, you will need room temperature butter, eggs, and sour cream. Do not skip that part. Put them out maybe, a half hour before you start gathering everything up. Make sure everything is room temperature. It's real important in this recipe. So this is room temperature butter, very softened butter. And I'm adding 1.5 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to add 1 egg, and I'm going to mix my ingredients together. I'm going to cream everything together. Okay, so when you can't see the egg anymore, add the other egg. Do it like that, okay? Don't skip that part. There's something about when it comes to baking, it's like this science thing. You have to do it the way the recipe says. And it says to add the eggs 1 at a time and cream in between. Okay, just until it's combined. Now you can see that I used the electric mixer. You don't have to use an electric mixer. You can definitely just use a regular spatula. But now the recipe says to stir in 1 8-ounce container of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now we're just going to mix all this together. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now make sure that your bowl is smaller in the dry ingredients part, because everything ends up in the wet ingredients, so you want that to be a bigger bowl. So now I'm going to mix this until it's completely combined. So now once you've combined everything and you don't see very much of that loose flour, now we're going to add the bananas. That's going to loosen up this batter. Now we're going to mix in our bananas. This is a 9x13 baking pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick baking spray. That's the one that has the flour in it. And I'm going to transfer my batter to this baking pan. Okay, so here's my cake batter in my pan. I have a 350-degree oven that's waiting. It's nice and hot. We're going to put this in there and cook it until a toothpick in the center comes out clean, and it should be about 30 minutes. So here's my banana cake. It took me 40 minutes before I could put a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. Everybody's oven is going to be different. So the original instructions say 30 minutes. It took me 40. So now I have to wait till it's completely cooled off, and we'll make a nice cream cheese frosting. My banana cake is pretty much cooled off. So now I'm going to start making some frosting. This is 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 stick of butter, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. And this is a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to mix this together until it's all combined and smooth. So my frosting is made. I'm going to frost my cake. So this is my banana cake. It really came out good. I had never had a banana cake before, and it really was delicious. I took it to some friends to share, and everybody loved it. So this is a very easy banana cake with cream cheese frosting. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell to see all my recipes, and I'll see you next time.